Hi guys, I'm going to tell you 5 free AI video creation tools which can help you create amazing movies and voiceovers. Number 1 is Synthesia. You can produce realistic videos without ever being seen by camera. Select your video template from these, then edit your video script. You have to write your content and click continue. Write down your details and click this one and then click generate free video and let Synthesia transform it into a variety of AI avatars, languages and accents. Number 2 is Peech. It's first generative AI video platform for marketing teams to maximize content marketing efforts. It enables the teams to produce an infinite number of interesting and high quality videos, allowing you to scale your video production process in line with your overall marketing strategy. You can create videos for webinars, testimonials, podcasts, and studios. Number 3, Fliki. You can make videos for blogs, podcasts, audiobooks, and how-to instructions in over 75 languages. Fliki offers over 900 human-like voiceovers. It's best for YouTube videos too. Here we are on the page of Fliki.ai. You can sign up for free or click on the Start Creating button. You can click this one, new file, enter your file name, whatever you want to enter. Now if you want to create video, click on this. If you want to create only audio, click on this and then click on create. Here you can edit your video, audio, whatever you want, and then you have to click on the export button and you are done. The link is given in the Runway. It's astounding how the history of video material has been affected by Runway. It has 30 plus AI magic tools for brands, enterprises, and creatives to tell their stories. It enables the creation of lifelike videos, images, and sounds from basic text. Number 5, Invideo. From script to sales videos. It creates professionally produced videos with voiceovers, pictures, transitions, and other special effects. Using script, it generates from your suggestions. It has 5,000 plus video templates which anyone can edit easily. It's a mobile editor app too. Hope you like my videos. Do subscribe and share your comments.